Hello everybody, welcome to another live algo manual trading. Hope you're doing well wherever you are or wherever you might be. Wishing you great profit and a great end of the week. So without further stuff, let's jump right into that. So as we can see, had some small trade, really small today, and this week, let's see, this week that was from 5th to today, almost 5%, so like $3, $4 more, and that's going to be 5% for this week with compounding, so that's nice. Goal is almost achieved. Few more trades here and there, and that's going to be it. So really good. And if you want to check from yesterday, winning in a row, just counting more and more. So last 3 days just to show you. So had more trades and all winners. Again, I know it's small trades, but we are counting the percentage, and 1% a day. That's going to make you rich. Like in 5 years, you're going to be sickly rich without taking out money. Doesn't matter if you don't understand the math, just Google that and you're going to understand what compounding and how big is 1% a day. That's my stream account, my small account. It is. It's on 100% still. Only 100%, guys. Not crazy there. Let's see, entire history. So my deposit, entire history. And let's see together. I want to do report, XML, save, yes. Let's go on TradingView to show you on the tab. So my trades, and just show you that's it's 100 winning rate with the drawdown of the 0.04%. So it's not just like, yeah, everybody can win, you just hold on trade and you're going to make money. Everybody can do that. No, it's really not like that. I'm not going to risk more than 5% on this account, and if that's going to make me a loser, make some losses, that's fine. With this, making 1% a day, and risking so small, going to make crazy gains. And yeah, that's already 65 trades, no losses, as you can see, almost equal short longing. That's really funny to me. I didn't know I'm like that. I think in my head that I'm more of the shorter than longing. I don't know why, so yeah, doesn't matter. Just want to show you that everything's clear here, nothing too crazy. Let's jump into the what we expect. So GBP, I had two shorts, GBUSD, sorry guys. As you saw on my accounts, I had two shorts on both accounts. Chasing, not chasing, but yeah, expecting at least this, and then we will look again. Yesterday, after we stopped with the stream, it was really interesting because volatility came in with Dixie pumping, and funny enough, yeah, really good on the same level as last time. Really nice. So this was our resistance. Now again, it's our support. That's again price projection. So people from here that we're going to call them random lines. Don't want to get too much into it. S&P 500, I don't know. I don't care. I think maybe down, maybe first up, then down. We'll see. Nas 100. Maybe I had a short last night again here on my random line. Next one is all the way here. So that's me trying to short all-time highs again, and I didn't miss Nas 100 at all this year. So I even shorted like, I don't know, maybe 10 times already all-time highs, and all from them were winners, so that's fine. Good morning, 40 Razer, hi. So yeah, let's go jump into account. Just want to show you something. I really got frustrated last night, my time. Had some stupid people have some stupid ideas, and now even my team pushes me over something. Guys, I really don't care. Like, I don't know what's there else for me. If like 300 wins in a row, it's not enough proof that that's it from me. Like, I don't know what is. And look at this chart. Can like I catch this two time in a row. I didn't want to close it here because this is bigger account, and I don't want to close there. And as you can see, I couldn't catch for scalping. I couldn't catch the better highs. So I'm not perfect. This was me. I'm being bored, and I wanted to click something, but this like tells some story. And 100% winners with 0.04 how it calls 0.04 percent drawdown. Like, that's just showing what I'm doing and how I'm trading. So this here is some free projection. I'm going to close this one. Now, nice. And one more winner in a bag. That's 66. USD CAD. My idea is following the 215 minutes. So had to pull it a bit higher again. God damn it. Oh, Aussie dollar. Maybe short soon. Already have prepared the order for all-time high on the Nasdaq or Nas 100, and have some longs on my random lines. Maybe I should have even here. Let me measure this. It's 1.34%. This is 1.89. Yeah, I want to start longing here. So yeah, I'm good at telling you news right about such normal and not important news, but since the president Twitter matters more than some TA times. Mm. Uh, Hi, Fatil. Fatil, did you contact or did Jeebus contact you? Did you get demo bot for free to test it to see are you like it, and I will give you like 60 days free of charge for the live account if you like it, just to test. I don't care. If you want, if you don't want, it's no big deal. And for the people out there, and I know they're probably looking, the dude that I told yesterday to you're good indicator, but to like when you say long, I'm going to short. When you say short, I'm going to long. And probably is watching. Wanted me to do crypto. Fuck crypto. Like, make money whatever you're doing. And for people that thinking me selling bots for $100, people in chat and people from my team can say how much my bots cost. That's first thing. Second thing, I gave more for free in my Discord, and in second Discord, and in third Discord, than that guy is going to make in a lifetime. Just for free. More than 100k so far. But anyway, nothing is $100 that you thinking on a JC project. That was my stupidity. I was thinking people are different, and I was wrong. People are not different. They're stupid, selfish, and want free stuff. They want to put $100 in and get rich quick scheme, and that's not possible. So for $100, it's not about it. Just copy trading machine that's going to copy my trades from server, but not those here trades. As you saw, I don't lose when I'm trading myself, even with my bots. So you can see bot is running here. This was bot trading. This position that wasn't me. Yesterday, I think, yeah, I don't remember this pair, but yesterday bot was taking some positions and I didn't lost any position like last 3 weeks. I have 5 accounts. So you see on the stream, you see 2 accounts, that's like 2K. It's already enough, but it's not much money. Percentage is some stuff that matters. Anything else doesn't matter. God damn it. Fuck. I'm going to close this. Doesn't matter. As you saw, it didn't got filled. My problem. I want it a bit lower. Doesn't matter. Again, made some money. Yep, nice. Nothing too crazy or shabby there. Fatil, nice for you. Really glad that USDT was really great trade. What else to say there? Nothing. Like, that's awesome, man. Really glad for you. USDT. Yep. And if stuff continue before market close, you can be a really good spot if Dixie continues to rise. And it's possible, why not? We're going up and up and up, and yeah. Again, this dude yesterday started panicking, and let me show you. What I'm looking at. So this account, yep, started panicking here that market is dropping and we will have a new low. So after I see everything what he said, this is me starting to long him because he's a great indicator what not to do. And this was, I think, maybe best position on this account. And I couldn't long on the other streamer account because I'm holding that short for a bit longer. But anyway, he was telling me how he was right after this dump. Or maybe this, I don't want to lie. This is correction. And if you look at US Tech, so he yesterday said, yeah, that's it, we're going down. Everything is different than US says. Yeah, we all know that. But this is correction. If we went 10% up and 1.7% down, that's just a correction, that's not down. After that, a few hours later, we made a new all-time high. Imagine yourself shorting here and here, and Nasdaq is a very expensive pair, and like you had the stop loss about the previous all-time high, and it went there. You lost because of stupid advice. Then the dude, the best dude in the world, the best trader out there, said, as they all do, well, I actually don't trade, American market, so like it's sorry about that. Like I'm trading only crypto and just one stupid pair. It's not stupid, it's game, it doesn't matter. One pair is one pair. But hey, don't take so tough and write because you caught 1% and you thought we're going down, everything is doom. Just do what you do. If you're only doing milk stuff and you have cows, please don't tell me about PCs because you don't know about that. So after you give advice, don't and trying to act smart because hey, it's going your way. But first of all, you said we're going down here. And first you went up and then you, haha, see, I'm right. Like 1 hour later, new all-time high, 2 hours, doesn't matter. It's maybe 1 hour, let me see. New all-time high came here. So it's 44 bars. It's 2.5 hours later. We made a new all-time high. So like if you suck at something, just shut up. Sit on bench and like if you wrecked your account as you did so many times and you suck at trading and then like uh, proving that you don't know stuff, please just sit on bench and let professionals do what they do best. Don't do that anymore. That really is stupid. So being that said, I let that from my mind. Let's find some trades and make some money, guys. From what deal I have short on ES from 180. God damn it. That's awesome, man. That's trading, not what this guy said. That's fucking amazing. Yep, that's around here. Jesus Christ, that's like, ooh, nice. Really rare for you. I think I had a read there. Let us check. On the short itself. Uh, just a second. Where I did, I know I read somewhere. That's not that pair. God damn it. S&P 500. Where did I read? Hello. I read it even lower than your position. Nice, man. That's really awesome. You see my read here. It didn't get there. So fuck me. My bad. Hmm. But your position, so it's really good. Only that's like a monthly paycheck here. So yeah, only, only. Looking on S&P 500, thinking on longing there, stacking go lower, but maybe start longing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5 in a row, no. Fuck it, I'm going to start longing this. Let's Brian Water sell on the positions. Why not? I got bored, guys. So I had some more work to do. Still not on the full 5% this week, so yeah, need to do it more. Dun, 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 to be, it's fine there. So we lost 21. Get back. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see trading view for a while. Need to figure out stuff. Some. Okay, so it was close to here. I didn't saw that. And it matched the freaking two different random lines in the same spot. So small retrace to 21, then pump, maybe something like that, possibly. S&P 100 long, Nasdaq long. If I'm short S&P, let's make some calculations. Let's make like this game is hard because everybody that streams want to look smart. The most of streamers, including myself, suck. So because I shorted S&P, I should start looking at for longs on Nasdaq. And you guys know how I feel about this pair. I'm not going to miss this pair. This is my baby. So yeah. Let's see. 40, my Windows 10 is really good. It's really fast. I don't have problems. Maybe it's your PC. Fuck deal. I took all the trades by looking at the 5-minute candle today. I took one USD long, shorts and long, and 3 trades will go well. Razer, don't remind me, please, sir. I told you I fucked up big time. I turned off the bot because in my head it was too many winners, and if I had just left it, would make a ton of money. So yeah. Ooh, this long is working out. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. See, I don't know how to trade. Fuck me. Should maybe learn some styles, just to look smart. Come on, a bit higher. God damn it. 21. Nope. Don't want to close there. My bot just opened gold short. That's why I asked. A Razer what? Institutional level or what? What? RSI bot. I use the trend trader there, so it's not I stopped it. RSI. Oh, didn't use RSI on gold, so don't test me. Really don't know. It's possible, but again, really don't know. Pum 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 pum. If I did this, do that. Can you test here and then just pump the jam, pump it up? Why your beats are pumping and the jam is dumping, but the body's jumping. Pump it up first here, then reject a bit. Now the Elliott way guys are going to like come. Heute, what? Raise risk, Mr. X. Technology was funny. I know that from German elementary school. Heute wollen wir zum Baden gehen. Du da. Und die Nächten Weiber zen. The, I don't know that is that Zehen or Zen. I forgot about the silent H. Do da. Come on, S&P, just a little. Like not going to look at it. Close the S&P in profit. Really getting on my nerves. I don't want to hold it. So what are we looking at? Dixie, maybe. Aussie dollar. That doesn't agree with my Dixie. Maybe a test 21 then down. But that's me making excuses for the Aussie dollar. So if it goes to 21, that would be a sign for me to short. If it goes here, that's a sign for me to long. I don't know.
Hello?
Hey man, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Just stunning. Stunned.
I try to talk and I figure what's wrong, like pressing my my talk button, and then I've seen, oh, the microphone icon is muted. Then the push to talk button is ignored. Yeah, I wanted to tell you how to pronounce that. That is, it's not a silent H. It's Sehen.
Zehen. Ooh,
Sehen.
Zehen. Ooh. Man,
Even so, in dialect, people would just say sehen.
Oh, yeah, that I understand.
But
Okay.
you get the meaning of it.
Today, I don't know, with Zoom, Baden, Gehen, Baden, that's Baden.
It's just they must have, like, back then in school, like we were like, I don't know, younger than 10 years, people were just singing this. It must be originally a different song, because with those lyrics it means let's go to the lake today, or like to go bathing
That
and to
lake,
see the
okay,
naked
okay.
woman.
Ooh.
Like baden is bathing, like
Bathing, oh,
to
Baden, I understand,
zum
yeah, but
Baden gehen, you would say
again.
like, hey, let's go to the pool and see the naked chicks, so to speak. And this, like, as elementary school guys, So that's.
Okay.
But since you were like singing the Duda Duda, so you must have it from somewhere else.
We all have similar song with the do that, and I think that was English song that I have in my head. It was oh do the day. That was when the cartoon with Elmer and Bugs Bunny. Yep.
Oh, so maybe actually, yeah, this from there then. I mean, I didn't watch that so often. Not Bugs Bunny necessarily.
I
Okay,
turned
so
up
they.
just in time to hear the words naked chicks. I was like,
Yeah,
whoa,
you jumped on a
getting
stream.
All
interesting
right.
tonight.
The moment some naked chicks are just like pronunciation in the stream. Here's Jeebus. Hello guys, what's up? Like 2 days there's no Jeebus, but the moment we said naked chicks, like whoo.
I have been summoned.
Yep, yep. Nice. I wanted to show you something because I know you didn't saw. Forty said I suck and I need to learn how to trade, so just want to show
I
you.
didn't say that.
So I see you
40,
see
you
my.
asshole.
No, he didn't. Just kidding. Uh, just want to show. Last night, I snapped again in my country, and the interesting part is that people started googling me with tank, and they really don't understand that's not my name. God damn it! And they always find some Asian chicks like
For a
God.
drink.
Yep, or something like that. And that doesn't matter, don't want to talk about that. But I had a great indicator yesterday that told me to sell S&P and an S100, and I started buying like crazy because this guy is the best indicator out there for what not to do. So,
Cool. So you just crown trade the shit out of him.
yeah, I told him it's not cool because I know how to manage the positions. Imagine, imagine selling NAS 100. Let me show you. So if you sold NAS 100 here and you didn't took profit because you didn't hit the random lines, and your stop loss is around previous all-time high, it should be normal. You got wrecked because it's happening. We're going down, guys. This is it. Economy to zero. Finally it started. Yeah, just
Coronavirus.
yep,
It's a thing, guys.
just start buying everything. Like when people like that start talking shit, just buy.
Yep.
How?
Oh, look, all-time highs again.
Yeah, like 2 hours later, all-time high.
Yeah, it didn't matter what they say on the news. Like, no, we don't open the schools. Doesn't matter. We don't need education. Everything goes up.
Yep.
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 When
A
people
few moments later.
a few months, and people understand that that shit. Like already, people know what happened in 2008 and 7. Shit didn't started in 2007. It started in 2008. That's a year later. So we are in the shit right now, but this shit is going to start like a few months later, maybe a year or even 2. I know a guy, and you know the guy, 40 also, that went broke 2012 trying to short on the all-time high on the S&P 500. That's $1 million dude that went broke and made a fortune again. I know he's a really good trader, but he made the rule then he's not going to go against 21 in a daily, so he didn't then short like trying to catch the ultimate top anymore. That's the moment like his life changed. But people like, okay, so I know the best. I, like nobody figured this out. Uh, Corona shit, schools, people without jobs, we're going down, guys. Today, let's go, short everything you can. Like, and that's the same guy that's wrecking his account every few months, but he knows the best, man. And I told, like, yeah, maybe my opinion matter more. Like, I'm 190. And he's all same moment. Like, yours says, telling me about millions. Nobody said the millions. I'm chasing 1% a day, trying not to lose any position. That's it. And I'm standing beside my verse every day, whole day, always. And the point is, Jibs, do you know why I shorted here on this stop and why I read on this stop? Would I like
Because you're a fucking genius, I
no?
guess.
No, it was like
For sure you are.
no, it was like a random. I don't know my stuff. Like I only trying to.
Randomly shorted the very fucking top of that week, and then the very fucking top of the next week.
Yeah, and
right.
this was me being bored. Like I wasn't had any position. Like RSI said, like okay, hi, maybe start try. And after that, I saw like okay, so my entry became support. So like just stop. Don't do that anymore. Like that's it. Okay, that was mistake. And then
You
just
already made your money.
then I figured out like okay, let's make this position also winner and like a good winner. Yeah. The point is that I trying to make first of all there's now trying to make me look really bad like this guy trying to sell your bots for $100 and you guys know the best from everybody else out there how much you paid for the first bot. It wasn't even a close. Like what $100? Like it's not worth my time. Like I am not even going to talk with people. If I'm going to talk and teach somebody, it's going to be free or somebody is going to pay a big bucks because that's how I do. Second thing, if somebody is offering something free and you're seeing he's killing it whole day every day, maybe sit the bench and like take some popcorns and listen. Maybe you're going to learn something thing or two, but hey, whatever. Like I just went out from all the groups instantaneously. Like okay, I'm done. Made a last message and
Even your like 60,000% a day guys.
yeah,
That guy whose portfolio was like 60,000% up.
60,000.
In crazy. That's top tier gambling.
Yeah. Hey, I had a 6,400 percentage options, but that wasn't gambling. I went to sleep and I woke up and it was crazy price action and I made money and I just put small amount there that was options trading like I risked the small amount. In my head, I already was prepared for that risk. It wasn't something stupid, but I woke up and found out that like, okay, close this fast, close, don't wait, don't wait. It's the biggest position you're ever going to do. Like, what the fuck is that? But yeah, that's one in a lifetime. Like that, if I say that's a knowledge now, that's pure luck. Okay, I expected to go my way, but I would close it in 100%. Like, wouldn't wait for thousands and thousands. That doesn't make sense. But that's options. That's different strategy and different risk reward. It's not the same. So I'm out of cTrader and just bought a new PC for my kid. Same like me.
nice.
Yeah, he's starting tomorrow. Maybe he will be the one try to listen a bit and make money. God damn it.
How is his trading going? Because he started trading too, hadn't he?
Yeah, and I think he needs a bit of guidance. Everything he did so far is like almost his ideas. I didn't want to force stuff on him because in my own head, like if he asks for help, I will offer, but I had a different parents and I don't want to be the same. So, and if he don't want to trade, he don't have to do it, but he wants to try and make some money on the summer, and I'm willing to invest. I told him like my investment, everything you make, it's yours. I don't care. So he's going to trade on my portfolio. So we will see how it goes. But first, I want again 5 more days to see on the demo account what kind of strategy he does, and if you lose account, that doesn't make sense for like investment. Like if he cannot make money on demo account, he certainly will not make money on real. So yeah, on the Oz increasing, I can see the spread on Oz increasing. Is that because of Friday?
There's a fuck ton of news coming in. My phone's just buzzing constantly with news alerts.
Where is the spread? Okay, maybe on another account. Just a second. Yep. On the Razer, on how it calls? God damn it. Raw account. It's a spread, but even on 5 minutes, it's still going to make you money. So whatever. You weren't here. So this new account, Jeebus, this I don't know what you're looking at. Yeah, new account. So it's 100%.
25.
Yeah, but yeah, I have 295s once 1000. This is 8 under 60. Doesn't matter. 100% winners, and the biggest drawdown it had a 0.04%. So
That's how old is this? Is
That's
like
like
3
no
days old?
drawdown.
yeah, I saw. I showed it on stream. Like first, I don't know how many minutes. Doesn't matter. But people have idea like, yeah, it's easy. You just click a button and wait. One time, it's going to come back your way. Yeah, but what about drawdown? If you miss it, the direction, it's not going your way. So like your drawdown is going to be bigger. I didn't wait, so that's 0.04%. That's not even close to 1%. And I made 3 days in a row almost every day. Today is not still 1%. I'm trying. It's almost a half of percent. So like win loss ratio, it's crazy. Like on the 100%, I never had 100% so far. So it's really like how it calls. Again, I need to see it. It has a bit better HTML. Yes, just a second. Here it goes. So trade Spot and me. Yeah, profit factor and recovery factor. You remember that recovery
Oh.
factor. So yeah, this is the drawdown. So I think it's okay.
That Sharper ratio too is phenomenal.
What ratio?
The Sharp
Oh,
ratio.
yeah. What that means? I even don't understand that. What's that?
So a Sharpe ratio is a very easy way to calculate risk versus reward. So generally, if you have lower drawdowns but good profit, consistent profit, then you'll have a higher Sharpe ratio. Anything over 0.5 is considered okay. Anything over 1 is what hedge funds look for.
Okay, so I suck. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or a hedge fund plus a good trader on top of that.
So it's almost a match now, long and short. On other account you saw I have a much more shorts, but this is like match. This is almost the same. That cannot be more balanced than it is. Doesn't matter, but
Yeah,
this really
that's good
crazy.
being so balanced. Yeah.
Like, and people again have like click button and you wait. It's not like that. Like if you're just averaging, you're going to have 5%, 10%
Holy
drawdown.
shit. Take a
But
look at US 500.
why?
Pumpers.
Pumped. Nice. I had a long, I closed it. God damn it, stupid motherfucker.
I had a long from the very bottom of this rundown. I started averaging in. Where was my average? Where the fuck's my US 500? I started averaging from 1312, and my last position was 3123. And I closed them all at the 8 EMA. I was like, okay, I'm out. God damn it.
Look, my first and only long.
Yeah, my entry was similar. That was my first entry
God damn
over
it.
to the left. GG.
Jesus Christ. God damn it. Yeah, short the market. Everything is going down, blah, blah, blah. And this,
Shorted.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Coronavirus cases highest to date in America, I believe. But everything's fine.
There's no need to
Machine.
worry. They took their face masks off during the press conference yesterday.
It's all about optics.
Yeah, they ruined the makeup.
This already looks like a good idea for short soon. Maybe already.
RSI? RSI? Oh, you're going back to normal
No,
RSI.
I don't. No, this is just for scalping. Just a general idea, but like on 1.3%, I'm going to short, like even blindly fold it. I don't even want to look on that position. Hello, USD CAD. Maybe. Nah, don't want to close.
Oh shit. US 500 even gapped up on a 5-minute chart on cTrader.
Ooh.
Just closed it. That would have been a good shot. Oops.
I ask you, are we looking for shorts? I just can't.
Yeah, I should have. I really need to stop saying it and just start actually doing it. But I will say I'm not super confident in how far this pumped through,
I missed.
how quickly it pumped through.
Jesus Christ. Fuck me in the ass. I didn't saw this. God damn it. If I saw that, that would be that would be easy shot. Wouldn't even look at, like, stupid.
Kurat, hey?
Correct, yeah. Finally some volatility, but This is nothing too crazy. That's still in the middle. I missed Dixie. Fuck me. I thought it's going here on this and it's going to pump, but hey, I missed. I did the wrong calculation. Still made money. That's different in traders and analysis and analysis. Almost 5% this week on
Humming the
this account.
American anthem.
Is that
Sounded
American
like it.
American or the when people die in America? For me, it sounds the
It's
same.
well, it's the same thing. It's just,
They surely sing the anthem at the end.
Ah. Ooh, hello, sir. Okay, that's something I like. Let's show that motherfucker. Motherfucker. Fucker. Ooh. It's totally different on the raw account when I click button and on the spread account. On spread account, whenever I click, it always look like already like 17-20 cents in minus. Somehow when I click raw account, I'm most of time like 2 cents in profit. Without fees. Didn't calculate the fees, but it's really different. So yeah.
Yeah, it sounds better, doesn't it?
Yeah, I told you I did a calculation, so yeah. And wow, that was magic. And close it in profit already. Yep.
What were you shorting?
GBP, US dollar. Made money.
Okay.
Free money, man. Free money. Show. Too many accounts. Yep. Easy trade. That was like 20 seconds trade. Maybe I should learn to trade, you know?
Yeah, you should do that. You should take advice from other people that
Yep.
may or may not have made money, and should just do whatever they do. That's the best way to trade, I find.
Yeah, I agree with you. Totally.
yeah, and then you should buy that course for 1500. Well, 50 went on sale. So
Well, don't say that out loud. Somebody here already paid that, you know? Don't want to say his name.
Every fucking time someone says that, it's like a stab in the heart to me. Right in the fucking heart.
why it
Dude,
changed your
kurats.
game, didn't it?
Kurats.
Yeah, it changed your game. You just wrecked your account faster. Because you know levels now. You can fuck your account faster. That's great. Hi, Steiny. Yeah, good laugh, good times. You hate what? US economy? But you should take a course. It's going to teach you the swing and lag. And no indicators. Indicators are lagging. Stupid indicators. Don't do indicators. Nobody went rich and retired with the indicators and bots. Fuck, was that me? Oh, God damn it.
Wait, I'm that guy.
Yep. And I know like at least 20 that uses indicators made more money I ever will see in my life. So like, yeah, I want to be like them. I don't want to hold this position anymore, but I don't want to close it here either. That's small profit. Come on. Come on down. I need that. But yeah, no, click, click.
So good, right?
Yep. Uh, I figure out the strategy for the bot. Just need to figure out with the team when they come back, can we actually made it in the code? And
Does it
that's it.
involve a drinking bird?
Yep.
Excellent. You can't lose. I don't think it's possible to lose. Just don't ever leave him in charge.
Yeah, yeah, I know. Fucking insane. Okay, we're looking the same account. Yeah, too many accounts, stupid accounts. Can you go a bit lower? I want to close you just a bit lower, please. Yep. Fine, thanks. I don't like this candle for my short. I want short but higher. Doesn't matter. This pair made money. Hello, pair. This pair, I just still don't know. Do you use it on the BVS? But
Yes.
that's money making machine.
All fucking day, mate. All day.
Fucking unbelievable. Like that, like doesn't make sense. And how stupid am I? Like I didn't figure out that 2 months. Like what the fuck is wrong with me?
No one else did too, mate.
Yeah, but you don't waste your time like me. So
Waste our time. I'm not sure making money is a waste of time. I change its settings throughout the day too. Through Asian settings, through Asia, I like bump it all the way down to, I think it's like 8 or something is my entry. And then when Europe comes online, it moves to like 10, and then I move it to 14 for when I'm awake during the US session, and then overnight it bumps to 18.
to
With
18.
one
Yeah, 18. Yeah. I agree. Now I'm using 140, and if I didn't touch it here, it would make me more money. And here, this was only bought. I wasn't at my PC, so it made more money because I think myself, after this candle, this hammer candle here, I would close that and again would make smaller gains because of my stupidity. Just leave the bot to do what it should do. Don't don't touch.
Yeah, there's a couple of times I actually think I need to mess a bit with my entry sizing for it, because there's quite a few times where it's actually closed in a loss when
Yeah.
it's gone up and then flattened out, and eventually it hits back to the AMA and closes out in a loss. So if I was at my computer, I would have stopped it from doing that, obviously. But the way around that is to bump up the entries, the higher entries. But I need to backtest that pretty carefully, obviously.
Yeah, I agree. It's not if you leave it alone, it's not going to win 100% of the time. That's just given. But after fuckery happens, well, to be honest, if I was at my PC and like 5 accounts, I couldn't take those 2 trades. That in my head, that was free money, and I had it on every account.
Yeah, and that's the amazing thing about it too, right? For me at least, for those single entry one-offs where there's like a spike up and it will enter and then it will almost instantly take profit. It's like, well, I wouldn't have been able to do that. No chance in hell.
Yeah.
They're the awesome ones.
One more dude just managed 100 minutes in a row. The dude that traded in a car, driving car. He also won the 100 trades, so I think my ways suck. Like, I need to find a way how to teach people, just 100 wins in a row, that's nothing. Like, that's everyday stuff, you know? That was joke, man.
I don't think it is, because it's actually an everyday thing for you.
My air condition just changed the speed because of, I don't know why.
Automatically?
Maybe just my head. Who knows?
Maybe it's jumped into Corona mode.
Corona mode.
I said, saying takes a course. I said no. He gets mad, lol, and he said that I don't understand price action. Moz then replied to him like Stein knows his stuff. Well,
And then the mods get banned.
yep, but all important thing is, are you making money? If you're making money, understanding, not understanding, it's on your own way. That's only important thing out there. Like whatever you use, price action, indicator, birds flying, looking at your own shit when you get to toilet, and if it's more blue, red, like whatever, take trades.
Blue, you should probably go to a hospital.
No, you're going to make a trade and win.
Stop trading, go to the hospital.
Like that's the only thing that matters. Everything else is just nonsense. To do this, yeah. To be honest, before everybody here, I saw the course because it was debating who wrote it. It doesn't matter for us. I don't care. Just saying I saw it, and to be honest, I already didn't like it after 3, 4, 5 paragraphs because it said to me to not use indicators, and I couldn't trade properly without 21 at that moment. And whatever I read in that, I already knew, but I knew much more, so like I didn't see anything.
The value in it.
Yeah, for that much in my head. Like that means if I write it myself, that's going to be like 5k. What? Like I know like 10 times more from like than in the course itself. Like so that then it's 10k. Like what? That doesn't matter. That doesn't make sense for me. Like okay, whatever. Like everybody has right for own opinion. But again, if it makes you money, it's fine. If it doesn't, then you need to find your own strategy. You can combine whatever you like. Yeah.
Do you know what the turning point for me with criticizing people about how they trade was? When I saw you using indicators successfully. I was like, do you know what? I'm just gonna shut the fuck up and let this play out.
One of the reasons I told you let's start this stream account was just showing you I know my shit. It's not just talking. It's not just guy talking behind scenes and like pretending know something. Like just wanted to show you it's a real deal, and like it wasn't all only reason. There was too many reasons for that, but that was one of them because like I know the simple features asked me like I wanted to see that. I remember the February of this year when I showed him my phone trading. He was like, "What is what is that?" Like
How
that's
is this
yeah,
possible?
that doesn't make sense. I think like I made a 5x on that account. Okay, it's small account, so it doesn't count, but I made 5x in like 2 weeks. And, again, it wasn't proper sizes, but like it was not 100, and I really don't trade that pair. Let's put it like that. And it was already 85-0, and he was like, I want to see, and then like, okay, let's show it.
Fine.
Like, I don't want to be like other guys, like trading you and like talking analysis whole day. Yeah, it can go up and down. Like choose the position, make money. God damn it, like do something. Maybe it's going here. Then maybe, yeah, maybe this and maybe that. Like click the button and make some money. Like it, everything's possible. There's no 100%. Well, maybe in my new account, but there's nothing is 100%.
Well, most people not ignore this example.
Yeah. Well,
It's just one time.
it's going to. I'm waiting for new challenge in the position, but it's not coming. I don't know. Maybe it's my fault. I'm still waiting, and wanted to wait this week to end and to properly test. Did I figure out what to tell the bot? And I think from the Monday is going to have a different style of trading, much more positions every day. And to show you, because you asked how properly to manage bigger account, just want to show you what to do. Like you just pick a random spot and be always in a position with at least 2,000, 3,000 bucks. You're going to make $100 easy that way.
Mm.
Yeah, maybe it doesn't sound. In my head, it sounds normal. Maybe it's not safe for everybody. I don't know.
Show me. Please show me.
Okay, for example, we are here in the middle of the line. We can go up and down. It's a given. Just pick a random button and put, for example, because it's 25k, put 100 points higher profit target and put entry 100 points higher from that. Every 100 points have position or profit target, doesn't matter. And try it.
So similar to grid trading in a way.
Yeah, because you have a big account and you're risking too small. But with this kind of scalping, it's a grid similar to market makers also, but you're going to have a bigger ranges, so you're going to make a more than cents here and there. Sometimes it's going to be a few bucks, so it's really good. I'm talking now for bigger than 10k account. It's not the same. If it's more than 10k, don't do this shit, because the moment it goes too high or like 3%, you're going to wreck your account. That doesn't make sense to do. But I wanted 1 weekend just for me to test it properly, to see in the extremes on March. I know it's working last 3 months already. I already did test that, but I need to be certain how you would went into the March or 28th of February. That's the date that I am the most scared
The
of.
wrecked day.
Yep. Yeah, and one of
Yeah, and that's the thing that always gets it, right? Those straight rips are the problem.
one of the arguments from that dude was like, I'm trading only 1k account. Yeah, live, because I don't want to do before everybody. Like, you don't need to see my financial state. But anyway, I'm trading properly even this account or next account or cTrade account or MT5 account, whatever. Like, it's already 20 days and like we didn't have a losing day so far, so it doesn't matter. But the point is, with this strategy, the more money you have, it's going to be easier, not harder. And that straight rip up that we are scared of, with the proper risk management and the proper places, if you have few random lines, higher and lower, you're going to have idea what to expect. Maybe you're going to miss first, but on the second something is going to happen there. Just we can go back. Let's go on trading view. We have time. Market opens in 30 minutes, so let's look together.
AUD's pumping, by the way.
Whoa.
Everything's pumping.
Wow, it's this Dixie is dumping, so here I missed this. Fuck me. Stupid. I wanted something else today, but doesn't matter. Still going to make money, whatever happens. Yeah. So if let's say it didn't react here on the pump, it reacted on second one. First time and second time was stronger. Even here on the first, if it didn't react, or this is even better example. So it went sideways, pumped through finally, but you already shouldn't short here because it already like bounced too many times. That was stupid thing to do, but doesn't matter. You had a small reaction, it doesn't count. Again, small reaction of a candle. But here, after everything here, you should expect something bigger to go, and at least 21 on 15 minutes. And even RSI said a similar thing. So you have few ideas. So with this my random lines, if you missed the first one, so you had a pump and you had a decent size position here. And let's imagine this didn't happen downside. On the random line it did. And on second random line it did it even harder, stronger. Same here, always the same. Let's say you shorted here, you readded here, you readded stronger here, you readded stronger here. After this, it already went to here. You showed already at least the risk, even if you didn't take too much profit. After the pump again on the random line, you should have a position, and here you already should make profit. Same on the downside. Here it reacted, doesn't matter. Let's see, was that 100 points? No, really want to see. Come on. 66 points, so it wasn't 100 points. So let's say you wouldn't make money here. You had a react here, it didn't react. On this, you had a bigger position, and it reacted here. You should de-risk at least, if not close the whole position, but at least de-risk. So if you have a 10k and you're starting with 100k, let's see how many positions you're going to have. So let's see, from here to here, that's 1,000 points. That's only 0.1 position. Is that big position for that account?
No.
That's funny. That's like if it's 1k, it's like smallest lot. If it's 1k, on 1k, you have to start with the small, like you cannot go lower than 1,000. Yeah, so it's really easy. That's what I'm saying. It's with these lines you have a general idea. Okay, maybe it's not going to work on the first, second, third. You have idea with if you have something like this color thingy, it's going to make you more money. It's going to be much easier. But hey, maybe it's only in my head.
So learn to draw random lines is your advice.
Maybe I have a way around that. I'm still thinking of that, and I'm putting my notes and already typing for my team. But
Did you
maybe
short your line, by the way?
did I?
Random line.
I don't know. I had some
Couple of them.
orders. Yeah. GBP, Aussie dollar also. No, it was BVS. God damn it! What the fuck happened? So bot did it? I don't know.
Good bot.
Stupid bot. Making random money. God damn it. Stupid bot. Why the fuck is this? Oh! Hello, bot. How are you, sir, today? Okay.
Profitable.
Okay.
Is it gonna hold this?
To be honest, I don't care. I need something to happen. I got bored, man. Like.
Just do something.
If you ask yourself why I closed or this position, because GBP is on the random line, Aussie dollar isn't. That's first. Second, because I don't want to double in position, two positions same time on this account
Yeah,
now.
double exposure,
Yeah.
USD paired.
Yeah. So it's double and plus I had to choose the pair, and for me the better pair was GBP. Maybe I'm wrong, but nice wrong. That's a buck.
I'll take it.
I'm going to close it here. Here. Look, the left. Okay. I agree. Here it goes. And if it goes higher again, it's going to enter the position. So yeah, nice. Good bot.
Good bot.
Yeah. Making money without looking and talking about random line. That's fine. That was me drinking the lemonade.
Ooh, lemonade situation sorted again.
Yeah, I don't
Life
have.
is good.
Well, maybe somebody explained to me last night that I suck at trading, so.
You come to the realization and now trading's easier?
No, I come to realization I'm stupid that I gave too much knowledge for free. People don't appreciate some stuff that is free. I told you already this. If everybody paid something, you know who I'm talking about. It's not you guys, but if they started paying, they would think it's a legit, because people are stupid in their head. They Razor told me like maybe don't look at people like they're stupid. Yeah, they're stupid. Like how many of 100 traders out there are profitable? The statistic is obvious. Only
I think it's
5%.
like 90% of traders fail within 90
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
I
So
don't know
like
how accurate that statistic is, but
yeah, pretty close at least. Going to close this one, and I'm going to re-enter more, but I don't want to close it.
you waited so long for something to happen. And look at those wicks. Look at those juicy wicks up in the rejection.
And this is going to become a support, and it's going to annoy
So
me.
kill it now when it crashes back into that shit, yeah. That's what I'm doing. Little further. You can do it.
Stupid bot making me money. It's okay.
fuck it, I'm taking it. I
I
don't even
did,
care.
in my head, I don't deserve that. So, to be honest, did I deserve this? No, fuck it,
Look,
no.
I don't deserve it, so I'll just take the money. It's
Yeah,
fine.
it's fine. No, I don't want to
Everything's
make too
fine.
much money from that position. In my head, I don't deserve that. That's in my head.
I didn't work hard enough for this.
Just something for me to check. I'm
Check
going
the
to make
Kura.
yep, I'm going to make one more random position there. And Kuras to check. Hmm. Oof. Yeah, you asked me did I short that well? I didn't have to. Ah, this was stupid. God damn it. Nah, fuck me. Why don't have lines here? I miss a short on S&P. That happened. Yeah, I had two random lines there on the S&P. Look, god damn it. And 200. Fuck. I didn't show this. Oh. Why? See?
Razor's fault is my guess.
Yep. Well.
How's your
Uh,
throat, Razor?
what's happening? Hey, I'm in the position, see? Let's do one more position. Let me see. Oof, too many accounts, man.
You need to track down that what copy trade software that you made.
I don't want to do same positions. So totally same.
Why?
Oof, if
As
I
in
if I
volume?
tell you I have to kill you.
Alright.
Just
Hey
kidding, man.
man, I've led a really good life. If I were to die tomorrow, I wouldn't be too upset, man. It's probably worth the knowledge gained for however long it took you to get over here, truth be told.
I don't want to do the same positions everywhere. That way I can put all money in same account. That then doesn't make difference. With this, I decide what I want to take and how many accounts, because if shit started happening, I'm not going to wreck everything.
Ah,
Because if I do everything the same, like just gather all money and put in one account, it's much easier.
so it's a case of risk diversification.
Yeah. Yeah, the fancy words, guys. That blah blah truch blah blah blah. Don't know
Yeah.
how to
I
pronounce that.
know so many fucking fancy words you wouldn't even believe most of them. Most of them I made up. They're not even real words, but if you use them in a meeting with conviction, people believe you.
Ooh,
Yeah, that's right.
fancy stuff. 51. Ooh, almost 1% there. Fine, nice. Let's go, guys. I'm behind today. Wasn't really let's say good day psychologically. They find the proper day to start messing with my head. Like the whole week wasn't mine. and I was just waiting for explosions. So, yeah. But
You
hey,
sound happier today.
yeah, I screamed on somebody, and I
Oh, good.
told everything I
Important
had
stress
in
relief.
my yeah, I had told everything that I had on my mind, and to be honest, I bought a best PC in town for my kid, and he deserved it. And I like to make people happy. I figured out last night, well, like what what are joys for me when I see my kids happy, and I know he's already learning his cell phone about trading and concentrating and wanted to do something good. So yeah, that's in my head. Nothing nothing crazy. I think it's normal for every father to have that, but yeah, found something to take my mind off.
Good.
And people are saying shit about much money on account I'm putting here on the stream. This PC is going to cost more than my whole account. So like it doesn't matter how much on my account you see actually or don't see. So yeah, that's 5 accounts you saw on the stream. That's 5 MT5 accounts on just on this PC. With other PCs, that's it's just normal for me because after 28th of February, I don't put all like too much money on one account. If shit start to happen, I'm not on PC. I don't want to lose everything. That doesn't make sense to me anymore. I already had that experience to lose too much. Like I remember how scared I was. Like I took everything, even from the Rebit and NT5 Evolve. I took everything out like the same day. Wasn't prepared to lose anything else. Like maybe I'm scared. Maybe I'm a rabbit, pussy. But doesn't make sense for me. The stuff I made over the years just to lose in few days or few trades. And
I think that's correct risk management, personally.
I don't need nothing crazy of making money. I'm going to sell a new bot. People in my country don't make that kind of money in 4 years. I'm going to sell it like in a couple of days, doesn't matter. I really don't need to do anything, and I already did made money. And if I make from this account 100k, that means something. That's a challenge. It's easier from 100k to make 100k. That's just 100%. But if you make from 1k 100k, that's you're a trader then. But not on 2 trades and you got lucky. But like you did 100,000 trades and you made money. That makes sense. Then you are some kind of trader. Think fast. See, did you short the GBP
I did.
again?
No, not again. Not yet.
Okay,
Soon.
here's some random line if you need
And it was
some
on my
numbers.
random line. There I had one for a change.
Ooh,
Fucking
nice.
soon.
23.6.
23.6. 20.
This like built into cTrader, whatever values they use.
20. Where is 23.6? Well,
It's at it
Like
now.
the percent
Oh,
in it.
wait. No, it's not.
It was just going over. I don't know from where to where I pulled it. It's a couple days old. I have to look on making a chart big to see. I have to do that on TradingView and in cTrader the fips are really bad.
Yep.
You cannot
The
hide them.
only
You can just
downside,
delete them.
unless you're debbing with it.
Yeah, it's better to do the charting in trading view anyway to keep the trading software kind of clean. I mean, you can make lines, but not having all those fibs and that stuff.
Do you see the random line then, JB, my boy?
Yeah, I do.
So on your account, if you didn't, you can start there.
26559.
You can start there if you want. This is not trading advice, but here is another one. So it's not a lot, and if you start properly sizing, nothing that's going to happen is going to make you lose money. Nothing, whatever. I already went through all scenarios. I didn't went through much properly, so give me this weekend for that. But I think it's going to work because in March, okay, we had rips up and downs, but we had volatility in both directions, so it came back. So think it's going to be even easier to trade this style with bigger ranges, just bigger scaling. It's harder, not harder, same position size, but bigger range scaling. So it's not going to be 100 points, it's going to be 300 points, something like that.
You have no real concern for drawdown as well. Or I guess you do to a degree, but it's not a huge thing on your mind ever, is it? Because you're always confident that you'll be able to Brian what yourself out of any
I'm not going to more than 15% ever. If it's going 15%, I'm going to close it. But whatever, like if it's even a close, or I'm going to start de-risking in the losses, because that doesn't make sense for me just to like in this new account with 100% winners. If it's starting more than 5%, I already know I failed. I failed just because I had a different idea, a strategy in my head. Not, I failed in trading, still going to make that a winner, but then I made a
didn't work out.
yeah. I had a bad idea, so that was the problem. My boss also took exact talk for the moment. Never my fault. Yeah, hope that Black Flag Marine is making money, guys. He's also, but he's on MT4 with different settings. Not want even to ask him what's his open distance. If you know what I mean. If he started really small, like 120,
It's not his open distance that I'm worried about. It's his volume.
Yeah, that's
Lot
another
size.
thing. Yep, that's another thing. And I know it's a brand idea strategy, but as you can see, my so it's 1, 2, 3, third candle already on my read, on my first read on the other account. Too many accounts. So I'm not
YOLOing your account in.
yeah. So I told you, like after that Aussie dollar, that position I needed to have. After that position, I just stopped losing, and you see in my account, it's not just a story. But that one show me what I can do and what I have to do, and price can do whatever it wants. It cannot hurt me. And now it count it's even bigger and bigger every day. It's just bigger. I'm still starting with the same amount. So like the story is who's your daddy? Just kidding. just check something. So, 15-minute RSI. Nice. It's matching with that random line there. Come on! Push it! Push it real good. Dun, 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 dun. So, guys.
Did your wife consider selling that lemonade?
Yeah, it's possible. Yeah. I
Singer
really
would make good money.
I'm going to ask her, like not even kidding this time. God damn it.
Like when the corona is over and it's safe, and making the entire town happy with the lemonade.
I needed that last night. I'm going to tell her, like, God damn it, you should give
Where
me a
were you
lemon.
when I needed you?
You need a little mini fridge, like for emergencies only.
Yeah,
in your office.
we already thinking about the small fridge that like Coca-Cola fridge or something like that.
Yeah.
Just
It
put
could even
your
be such a small thingy what you put in your car. Or you could power that over a power supply or a 12-volt converter.
No, you just need to put your drink in front of your little Chinese cooler,
Yeah, genau.
your USB one. Das
Right.
ist gut.
USB fridge maybe also.
Ooh. Everything's on 6 volts. It's fine.
This is fine.
Don't connect it or too many things to your desktop, so that fries your power supply again.
Black
Plug it straight into
Flag
your
Marine,
UPS.
how are you looking? What was your open distance for GBP USD? Tell me to be. I'm trying to mentally prepare for the answer. If
Mentally.
I'm sure it was totally appropriate.
Yeah. Yesterday was great day for a bot. Like I made a really good money yesterday on every bot. And I have one dude that trying a demo account. He lost a lot because he left the same settings from the non-open market. And I was like, yeah, you were lucky
Shit,
that you
the
lost
market
that
open
much.
now, isn't it?
Yeah, it should be. The alarm was earlier. 1 minute.
1 minute, yeah. Ooh, scary. Ooh, what to do now?
I'm already in.
Hold me.
I'm in 2 positions plus my de-risking one, 3 in total.
I remember the times when 40 didn't understand up and down. But I think no. And now he's like 100 winners in a row. Yeah, what a fun. Like, don't care. That just 100.
Ain't no thing.
Yeah, unbelievable. Fucking unbelievable. So
Yeah, that counting
that's
was really annoying. Like always counting to 100. That gets stressing.
I stopped counting that moment. I just passed the 100 easily. Till I was counting, it wasn't so easy. So, okay, let's see. We have a Razer 100, 40, 100.
No, don't do this. Don't be like that.
So
No.
we have.
I will let you go on the MT5. Hey, you should already have account there.
Probably do it again on MT5. That is a good training challenge to get used to this. It's just so hard to part from the cTrader interface.
That's so pretty, right?
You have to let go of it because all the rest starts to really be annoying compared. Like it's just not so reliable.
My wife asked me why I'm asking what's in the lemonade. So there's something there.
There's something in there.
Yeah,
Yep.
like why? Who?
Busted.
Yeah, you
Did
find
the
it out.
police ask you?
Everything's fine, Black Marine. I hope you're making money. That's my only concern, nothing else. So, my thought disappeared. God damn it. Yeah, counting trade. Simple features. I don't know how he stands, but he was great even on the testing. So, Javis, my friend, it's maybe time for you to step a bit. You were the first to catch the strategy, and now you're lagging.
I probably already did well over 100 profitable trades prior to
Ooh,
this, right? Let's
nice,
see. Let's see.
nice.
What's the problem was I switched to the hedging account, and all of my effort has gone into basically trying to make that work.
It's not
with
going to work.
scale, right?
It's not going to on hedge account. It's not going to work. I already told you that. I already did all the math, and I'm crazy when I research something, I do it like how it goes.
I still don't
Chemically.
understand why you say it won't work. I still don't get it. Because
Let
to
me show
me,
you.
it's the exact same. The only difference is you need to manage your
No, no,
positions
no. I'm
individually.
going to explain you. Yeah, you need to do it individually. So let's say you start shorting this one here. Can you see? Yeah.
You on MT5, yeah?
Yeah. So
MT5
Cable,
start,
yeah.
you start the shorting here. That's your first entry. Second, third, blah blah blah. This first entry, it doesn't have to come back at all. On MT5, it's already calculating me average position, and when I do this de-risking, you see, this is my entry, and a bit below is my de-risking in a profit. This one is going to like close 5 cents in a profit, so it's not a loser trade. On the hedge account, that first trade is going to be a loser, and I'm not getting the losing trades at all here. You know? Do you now
Because it's
understand?
averaged out.
Yeah.
So that to me is still just something that shows it in your statistics, right? To me, and this is an out there concept. I don't care statistically if I have one loser in my history or even 10 losers in my history. If I am overly more so profitable than my losers, then to me, I don't give a fuck. Like,
I understand. No. We are not on the same page. I understand you already making great money, but this is just to pass time. I need something to push on.
competition wise?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm with you.
nothing.
I'm with you.
We don't care about fuck it, like thousand trades. I really don't. It's not like it has zero meanings. But just
Yeah.
for something, just to say, hey, I did 100 winners in a row. Fuck it.
I'll admit. So when you announced that competition, I was like, yeah, I don't care enough to do that. To me, I was like, I don't care about 100 winners in a row. I would prefer to concentrate on just being profitable, right? To me, that is my goal, and that's what my effort goes into. I don't care about 100 to 0 or 500 to 0. I could have like 250 to 250, and as long as I made way more money than I lost, I wouldn't care.
I agree, but here's the but.
I don't need that
No.
drive.
You don't need drive, but the moment you do, your confidence or self exploring and stuff you're going to when you're going after that in trade, you're going to feel differently. You're going to understand even before trading whatever happens, you don't care. You're going like you already did it once, you're going to do it again. It's I know it sounds stupid, but
I think you become more aware of
yeah.
it, and because it's like a goal, and it made me more paying more attention, being more focused. I mean, I
Yeah,
first
yeah,
thought,
yeah,
oh
yeah,
God,
yeah,
that will be
yeah.
hard. Like, I thought that will be annoying if there's a red one happening like halfway through or so, but then somehow it worked out. So it's kind of, I mean, I had that 100 in mind. So if I would just trade, then yeah, would have probably just traded, you know, like, oh yeah, some loser, some winner. Okay, at the end I make some, but I mean, that way I needed to win, wanted to win basically.
Yeah,
For
yeah.
me, I'm worried that it would impact me negatively because to me, it would be me a case of trading to get 100% win rate, not trading to be profitable. And that's my main concern with it. If I put that, oh, I've got to close everything in a winner, that could cause me to make bad decisions. I
No,
don't
no,
want to
no,
make
no,
bad
no.
decisions.
It's not just no, 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 no. Same. I'm going to tell you. Same I did with Razer. You have right for 100 wins in a row, but the max drawdown has to be a top 10%. With that said, when I said that, you have to think on that, so your scaling in is going to be much slower because you're always going to have in your head, oh, I have only rights for 10% drawdown, I cannot pass that 10%. Do you now understand what's behind my idea of competition? I'm
Have you
uh,
have you checked that the other guys have followed that 10% drawdown? Because I
yeah,
don't think
and
they
yeah,
have.
yeah. Well, one from the chat here, he already somehow his drawdown is missing. Somehow you
Well,
can.
That's strange.
I don't include my 31 times typo trade. This is it wasn't closed. Like I had 102 or 104, so
Just
green.
take that one away.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
didn't set that 2.31 lot. That was my mouse wheel.
yeah. And my it was on stream. My biggest drawdown was 7% at the moment. That. So if I was on the 10%, I would stop. I already told it on the stream. I lost it, and that's not right. So
Yeah,
with everything said there, Jeeves, just trying to enforce to teach you the proper way of scaling in and not getting to in too fast. Because you're trying to win 100. Just bear with me a second. You're trying to win 100 wins trades in a row, but no bigger drawdown than 10%. So you're trying to win, but you don't have right to pass that 10%. And then 10%, it's a lot, but it's not life changing. It's not going to wreck you. So you can get back from that because that's like 10 days trading maybe. So it's fine. But I'm trying maybe on force, like I forced Razor in trading, yelling and provoking him. This is me trying to force you.
Razor, you were a bit hard on Razor.
I had to. He never stopped demo trading.
Listening. Never starts listening.
Yeah, and demo trading, like you never stop demo trading. Only one guy I cannot change, and I think I'm going to give up on trying to help him. Like I don't know
I think
what
that's
else
gonna
to do.
save you a lot of sanity, mate.
So I know maybe I suck trying to force stuff on you, but it wasn't competition with me. It was me trying to force you to not to have Aussie dollar, US dollar to understand the proper way of scaling in. So I was trying with competition to give you the same knowledge I got from that trade, something like that.
Mm.
So when I put it like that, do you understand now better, Jabez, what I wanted to do with
I understood. Like at the time, I even understood. I was like, yeah, this is probably a good idea. But for me personally, like I think maybe 2 or 3 days into that, I took a trade. I went, oh, okay, short this, cool, short this, and then I went, do you know what? I don't like this trade. I'm just gonna fucking close it in a loss, like a 10-cent loss. Done. All right,
that's
gone.
okay.
Move on.
Yeah.
That to me was part of the exercise for me personally, right? Can I go, oh, I'm trying to make 100 wins, but actually I value making better trades more than 100 wins. So I'm just going to close this. That to me was more important at that point in time.
Yeah, but you're like one on a million people that can benefit from, like, okay, I don't like it, I'm going to close in 10 cents. Even that will not, if to be honest, it's not going to have the same effect on me as it had on you. So I won it on my own twisted way to help you guys as always. I know it.
I think you did help, obviously, because I'm here. The other guys are all here. God damn it! Why wouldn't it hit our buy? Just show it. God damn it! Stupid pound.
What?
Second attempt at that line, or third attempt at that line. Your entry is the same as mine, Sasha. The pound, GBP USD.
Oh yeah, I know.
I'm like, fuck you. Take my order. I need it to average up a little.
Yeah, and I have that same on 2 accounts, so imagine my frustration. And to be honest, that's my first on my third account. That's my first, and on my fourth account, it's one random line higher. So like I will have a similar trade, but if it goes now in my direction, fuck it, it is how it is. Well, doesn't matter. If this is looking for the bot 70, something like this. Hey, that's looking nice. GPO's dollar. Is somebody in the position beside me?
I am.
Oh, I have to add that still.
What's your open distance?
My open distance. Let me double check actually. Got my indicator set to 1, but my open distance set to something else, so it's confusing as fuck. It is at 11 at the moment.
That's too close. For me,
Yeah,
it's
I
14.
should bump it for open.
It's 14 for me, and I already stopped the bot on one on this account, and I did manually read here, so I need to put a profit target. Yeah.
My average is still good enough to let the bot run it, but if it heads sideways from here, I might need to stop the bot.
On my small account, I don't even know how to call that account anymore. It's
What even is it?
it's $862, so it's not that small. Doesn't matter. It's only first position, so really it's a good entry. So I left bot work on that, but I just lost the connection. It got back. Nice. Razer. Max drawdown 12%. Your trade was valid. That's not invalid trade, but you lost the competition. That's different. So you didn't. It's not invalid. That's a reality. You did that. That's great. But the other thing is that you should watch more for the drawdowns. That's it. Nothing too crazy. And I really don't like this position on the Aussie GBP Aussie dollar. So I don't have problem with the GBP USD, but I have problem with the GBP Aussie dollar. Ooh, nice. So general idea of GBP, maybe one more projection higher today, then retrace. Yeah. So if this projection doesn't stop it somehow, possible, then
Next random line.
Yeah, I'm looking at this GBP Aussie dollar. It's really annoying. I'm going to close it myself. really soon. Yesterday, I almost lost a trade on this new account because I clicked the button and it was just loading, this long, loading, and price was just up and down, and still loading, and I was like, don't do that, market order, please. You're going to lose a winning position like 10 seconds, it's still not closing, god damn it. Yeah. Come on, stupid. Yep. Don't like it. GBP, Aussie dollar. Did you get filled? Did you get filled on the GBP?
No,
USD?
no, I did not.
Let me show you my smaller account. My not smaller account, then it's technically the same account, but that's there. Like, fuck you. Like,
Mine looks pretty much exactly the same as that.
and now it's going like down 5%. Fuck you.
Mine touched it, but spread didn't get it.
That sucks even more. God damn it.
Yeah. What's worse is that I'm on Raw Trader, right? So spread's supposedly better.
Yeah, I know. I'm on the road trader on that account also that I showed you, so yeah, I understand that. Fucking JP, motherfucker. This Aussie dollar looks like shit. Like, I remember 6 days, it was just pumping and fucking me in the ass, and the things
Yeah, that's a boss.
something happened. Like, it's just worse and worse.
People realized that nothing was holding it up.
If I do this, I would have to do this. That sucks. Only problem for me for this new bot is I do so much calculation in the middle. I don't know how to explain everything to the bot.
And 2 programmers on top of that.
Because I use too many strategies, too many different stuff to make.
Fuck, that's annoying. It's legit dumping off it now. God damn it, you piece of shit.
Ooh, that was profit target. Some ninja sound.
Yeah, ninja sound. Wait, was that me?
Somebody was there. I don't have
That
ninja.
might have been my other account. It was.
I wasn't.
Forgot I did
I'm
that.
not on the cTrader, so yeah. Fuck you, JP. Like, just take a goddamn trade. And now this is not legit. If it's going higher, it's going like this. Just one more time to check it, and yep, it's going like this. If it's valid.
Are you showing your screen?
I don't know. It's not the same account. I have too many accounts. Goddamn. So this. Now I'm on the other account myself. God damn it. This I moved the trade. What's yeah, that's the right one.
How does that working to switch to? Do you have to do that in OBS?
Yeah, every time in
Okay.
OBS.
Always clicking on it which one you want or something.
Yeah. So I have two OBS because there's too many accounts and others I really don't want to show if I don't have to. Stupid JP, motherfucker! God damn it! If we went in this position, this would be already first profit target. God damn it!
Yep.
Motherfucker.
Yep.
Oh no, I don't want to do. I think this is just stupid theory that doesn't make sense. So already, like, don't force yourself to think about that. But sometimes when I get in the position, I see just it not going my way, and I re-add, and I re-add one more time, and then they see I don't have stop loss, but I have a re-add on a next random line. They come close and still see not having stop loss because I don't need it, and they don't take my position and go my way. I'm like, that one re-add would be so great, but no, they don't want to let me make too much money. Don't say to me that. Look at this motherfucker. Same as you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they hired a person just to look over your live
Yeah.
bot trading, just to counter
His
trade or
stream.
to
No.
disable, like,
No. First idea, they're
you-
looking for my stop loss, and they figure out that not going to stop me up, and nothing they do will make me lose. They then like, okay, I don't want to let you re-add and make more money. Just go and take this.
That's just market makers, right?
Yeah, stupid market makers, evil market makers. You know, they're coming here for you. Stupid GVP motherfucker. Oh, Jivas, we really went bad on this one. God damn it.
Yeah. I'm closing my other order in rage now, because if it comes back to it,
It's not valid
I
anymore.
don't
Yeah.
want to be in it.
Yeah. Hi, Misha.
But nice random line still, sir.
No, it sucked. If I put it a bit lower, yeah, that doesn't. It's not valid anymore. Just I really know it now. Really. What is this? GPUSD? Oh, on this account, on my other account, I already made profit. Ooh. But, but, but,
But sir,
but.
now he turns into a chicken.
Well,
ladies and gentlemen, gather around. Come see the amazing trading chicken.
chicken. Yeah, it's not a bird anymore, it's a chicken. This lemonade, guys, like, when you come here, you need to try this. Like, what the fuck is this? Yeah, Misha, I blame on my wife. She didn't make me lemonade last night, and I wasn't too happy. So every problem went on the Telegram. It was her fault. Stupid GVP making me money. God damn it. Not like this. No, Misha, today it's not schnapps. Today it's Jack day. It's Friday, and after I make my percentage, I am opening Jack again and like living the life.
Seeing your friend Jack again.
Guys, I forgot to tell you. I have some good news. We had a 100k winner this year. So
Winner, what does that mean?
somebody had a goal of 100k.
Oh, he made it.
Yep, Gox made it. He has 101k. and I told him to stop to the rest of year because he's going to rate himself same as Mr. I know the best, or just put 1K just for having fun and try this. And I told him to come to stream with us. He's thinking about it and try like he's catching up with Brian videos to understand the strategy, and he's going to probably join us
Is he
soon.
just trading your bots?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that's awesome.
Yeah, but he has every bot. Like every didn't do the Brian what he don't understand it properly. So he doesn't like just a second, don't forget. Nice. Now we can continue talking. I just de-risked it in profit. He like you know already trend trader and institutional level are hedge for each other. And he figured out that even before me. But he had a problem psychologically. He made money on BitMEX podcast, so that was first crazy. He already like he understand deeply how program work, and he understand price action. Like after 3 losers, he always put more size in. After 3 winners, he turned it off or something. Like it's not always like that. He always look at price action, but he had a theory, and he made more money than me on the bot itself.
What a boss.
Yeah, we used his strategy like on the beginning because he like was making more money than us, so it just wasn't too much sense going against that because it's just making more money. Like use it whatever you can, like why not? And he's stuck this year. I told him he's going to be stuck because of the psychological problems. It's not easy being so close to the goal. It's always hard. I know myself. Also have the
Yeah,
same
you've mentioned
problems.
that a few times now.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Anyway,
I mean, it's hard once you get to your goal or get close to your goal.
yep, you will see. The moment you're going to have 90K, you're going to freeze. Doesn't matter the strategy. I promise you that. It's going like
Joke's on you. I don't have any goals, so I can't possibly fail.
the moment you will be like, I don't know, 20K of paying your house off, you're going to
Fuck it
suck
all up.
yep, suck at trading next 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Like it's like you'll think everything stopped working, and you need something else. It's just normal, nothing crazy there. Like I even spoke with the pro traders, like they already like knew that's just normal. But hey, and anyway, he made it finally, and I told him like put small amount of money, like leave the rest and start from beginning. That's the best feeling. You did it for this year. It's only a half of the year. It's more than a half, but technically, like 1 month here or there doesn't matter. Like just enjoy and try this stuff. So I think he's going to take just 1K, not crazy like Mr. I know the best, and he's going to try it with 1K to figure out everything. And I told him like watch the stream, come with us, and like I'm still grateful to him finding the stuff and sharing from the beginning. So he's a good guy, and really want him to explore even this. Why not? Doesn't need to stop evolving.
Sounds good. Hmm.
God damn
Where's
it.
my cable?
Look. Yeah, and then see? No, it's not on that account. Just sorry. Yeah, it's on that account. Fine. My profit target. On the cable. It
That's
missed
just
for a
fine.
tick. Yeah, also here. Like it doesn't matter, it's still fine. And I'm leaving now this random line position because if we go out there up there, I want to be in the position, let's say like that. I want to have short position on the higher random line, not here. On the higher random line to start scaling. Why not? Just randomly.
Randomly scale on your random line.
Yeah, why not? So 140. Yep, I'm prepared. Still didn't make the percent today. God damn it.
Across all your accounts.
Yeah, my goal is goal. Every account at least 1%. I made a 5% on this account already this week. So this week from the 5th, 6th to today, it's already 5%. So yeah, and no losing trades. It's
Nice.
I think already passed 190 trade. I don't want to again to have to going to manually calculate trade. I don't have same options you had on cTrader to pick less 100 trades or less 200 trades.
Yeah, you'd have to spreadsheet it, which is a pain in the ass.
Yeah, and my other account for this week, well, I didn't technically start from the Monday, so I started on the 8th, so that's like only 2 days ago, and almost 3%. So yeah, fine. It's fine. S&P, sir, why are you going down, 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 down? I think I'm longing that really, really soon.
Donks only go up, as everyone knows.
Yeah, yeah. But let me think, like now? Yep. And 2 seconds later it pumped. 1 second. Ah, come on, I want to have 10 seconds straight. Come on, fuck you. Ah, stupid mother.
Why you do me like that, S&P? Are there idiots still protesting in your streets over there, Sasha?
Yep, and it's even worse than it was.
Morons. At least they're thinning out the gene pool, I guess.
Hello, S&P. Ooh, nice. Not that. Too many stuff. Come on! Ah, miss it. 6, 7, fuck it. Yeah, thank you. That was easy. That was easy. Nice. See? I need to learn to trade.
What do I need? Change my stop. Need 595.
So Mr. Dixie is going here. Even here. Well, technically this was test of this level. This was test of this level. Everything was tested there, so... okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's going to be here. But why not? Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Go.
GVP. Hey, I again made it in a position. Or should I say bot made it in a position. Stupid bot. Hmm. I didn't play that game like too
Ever?
long. Too long.
Oh, right.
Yeah, ever. What? Do you know you're talking with a geek? God damn it.
That's why I was like, what the fuck? I don't think we can be friends anymore.
My wife even played that game too many times. Like, god damn it, not.
So much good music in that.
Go Aussie, go Aussie, go Aussie, please, sir. Nice. Closing the trade manually. No. GVP Aussie. Only winners. This pair sucks. You only can make money there. Like, what the fuck? That's stupid pair. We need some pair that we're going to lose. This doesn't make sense.
Yeah, worst pair ever. Making money all the time. It's
Yeah.
insanity. Should get a pair where we lose all the time. I feel like that would be the best.
Yeah, I have that pair for myself. It's Euro USD. I don't trade that pair. Like.
Rip account.
Yeah, like I'm trading Forex and that should be a first pair to trade, but like whatever strategy I use, only candlestick patterns work there for me. Anything else, like it has crazy swings. Sometimes it's going much higher than it should. Doesn't respect swing. Like
your
I don't.
kryptonite, is it?
Yeah. So like, but fuck it, I don't need to trade it to make money. Like, why the fuck I need to like do that to myself? It doesn't make sense.
Yep. Trade something that wins all the time.
Yeah, and now it's going GPO, or maybe it's going again higher to open again the same position. Why not? Like, I really like it.
I will allow this.
Sorry, I'm reading something from the friend from the chat.
I had a friend once.
He's technically not a friend because we didn't eat together still and didn't have time, fun time. Like technically,
Haven't shared kurats with him.
that's yeah. But they banned the Mr. the best, Mr. Short the Market, and Sasha is stupid.
Oofed.
Yeah, well, can I
So
don't.
they revolted and kicked him out, did they?
It seems so. He's naming the democracy and stuff like that. Well, like again, they went even better than you guys. I like all the indicators and stuff. Like knowledge itself. I just gave it. I didn't ask anything. Same like this stream. And somebody is going, I'm just waiting for those sexy messages that's going to like make me a rampage again. But sir, you need to use stop loss. The first rule of trading, you know, you need to understand your risk. Yeah, I really understand the fucking risk. Just leave me alone. Go fight another battle. Don't do that here.
All right, gentlemen, I'm actually going to call it a night here. So I will talk to you all later. Thanks so much for the trading week, Sasha.
Thanks.
Appreciate your company and everyone else's.
Thanks for being here as always, man. And
Cool.
enjoy
Forward to
the
chatting next
weekend.
week.
Yep.
Ooh. Bye, guys.
Bye, man. Bye.
And girl. That's you, Razor.
See, very simple feature. I'm going to make fun of him.
What is simple future? What even is that?
Where is he? He's not here.
I think he's dead. He's dead to me anyway.
Yeah, he's a girly girl. Screaming like a wuss.
See you guys. Good. All right, you can take over, Sasha. Good work. Bye.
Fucking. No, why would he Razor have a good weekend? Fuck him. You don't need a good weekend. What the fuck with a good weekend? Aussie dollar GBP. Black flag marine I'm looking, but that doesn't help. Did you make money or not? Should be fine. GPUSD, it's a... I don't see that. That's 100. If that's 100, you're wrecked. Maybe I can see it on my phone. Just a second. 160. That's really small, man. My settings for GBP are 220, and I started shorting here. On my second account, my settings there are 200, so it's a 20 points higher than yours. I think you should consider that, sir. Hey, Davore. Way. No schnapps or rakia. Guys, I really have a problem with the stomach. Cannot drink that. Stupid GP, go in the position. God damn it, I'm going to sell that manually. God damn it. Fuck, motherfucker. Fucking motherfucker. Fuck, motherfucker, fuck. Fuck. Missed it in both accounts. God damn it. Click the button, push the button. Your RIAD is higher, nice. Did you make some money? Hopefully. Really hope you made some money. I have a yeah there. Nice. Cancel that take profit for now. Cancel that profit. Take profit there for now. GBP Aussie dollar still in the super position. God damn it. Just let me make some money there, sir.
What happened with your soundboard? I didn't notice anymore.
It's still there. Let me. Where it is?
Come on. With a common denominator.
Did you hear?
Yeah, I have the YouTube.
You
in
think?
right now, yeah.
Is this the better? I think this is better one. Just kidding. GPU's US dollar. What? You want to say to me that random line broke second time? No, that doesn't make sense. Come on, close that. And here, why not? Oh, I need like 40 cents for the percent. God damn it.
That's getting harder with the account growing, or do you go bigger positions?
Going to start scaling much faster and re-adding faster. Going to show you as how account is growing. I'm going to do it. Hey, people from my country say small account. That's like 4 or 5 months paycheck and it's small account. Doesn't matter. Razor sharp. Why do you don't know? Why do you do blah blah? The soundboards. You know that. Come on. Don't play games with me. Young man. Young man. That's the best joke I did this week.
Calling him young man, or
Yeah.
I first thought he's the youngest, like from
Yeah,
the talking.
me also. Yeah.
I thought like Razor and Steiny. I thought like, I mean, I knew like Steiny is younger then, but then I thought, yeah, Razor probably early 20s or so.
Yeah, I thought that Steiny is a girl. I'm not kidding. One time in a chat when we are all chatting on that stream, somebody said something bad about girls in the chat, and Steiny commented, "I'm a girl," and I saw that, and in my head, like, okay, he's a girl. Like, I don't like judge, but like, I I don't know girl traders, and I don't want like that's 18 years old. Maybe she or he is a girl, should do something else, but doesn't matter. And when he said he's a man, boy, teenager, whatever, and sent us a picture, and I was like, okay, sorry, man, I didn't know that, but apparently, a Razer is the panty guy's man or the or the girl. I'm talking this because he cannot talk, so I can be a macho man, you know.
Yeah, so you can be really rude. But suddenly he can then talk.
Yeah. Yeah, no, he starts screaming on stream, motherfucker, blah blah blah. Mhm.
How long is that after such what was it called? Uh, what are they called? What they removed? I just know it in German right now, but that would sound wrong in English.
I know in Serbian, so like that doesn't help at all.
Like if you translate it from German, it would be they removed your almonds.
Almonds, ooh.
Yeah, no, what's the word?
Tonsil, 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 yeah.
Tonsils, yeah, okay, that those things, yeah. Yeah.
You know
They removed,
those
they
sucky
removed
things.
his balls. Like, oh, I'm sorry, we had the wrong tag on you. If it would have been like a proper operation, kind of, oh, it was the wrong patient. Shit, what do we do now?
uh, Razer, I'm giving you a hard time because you can eat ice cream and I eating it less because I'm going to be in the television show living with 1,000 pounds, so I don't want really to do that. So
Yeah,
I need
the
to give you a
biggest
hard
loser.
time. Yeah. My air
Could be
condition.
a trader show title, the biggest loser.
Ooh. Just start typing my wife. My air condition ran out of the water. So mm,
Yeah, I looked up how it looks from the inside. There were some photos on Amazon. So it's such a kind of it soaks up such a grid of paper stuff, which soaks
yeah, it's a filter or something like
the
that.
filter, yeah, and it kind of wicks the water upwards and then it cools through the evaporation. Does it feel any humid though? Do you feel the air coming out a bit humid from this or just cool?
I feel it cool, but maybe my senses died. So like, don't take my word on that. But it's really, really good. I really, really like it. I can I can say that it's much cooler in the office. Even now, today is really, really hot. And that little thingy on the USB is really cooling me.
I would have needed it in the other room where I was. Now I'm freezing in the new room here. I'm wearing long pants and a hoodie. It's like actually cold. Drinking hot coffee. It's like, because I have the central air condition vent right above my head.
Nothing is work properly. Like this doesn't work because of this. This doesn't work because of this. God damn it! Can I have something that works properly?
This house here is crazy. Whoever built that's very adventurous what they put in everywhere.
Trump, Trump. I have some soda water, and if my wife doesn't bring me, I'm going to put soda water on that. Like, ah.
Well, don't put anything flavored in. As long as it's just plain water, it doesn't matter if it has carbonation or not. But no lemonade. That's the worst.
Come on, stupid
You
cheap.
could probably even put like in front of your AC like a little bottle of such essential oil. There are like certain oils for more focus or better mood or however, whatever you need.
Better mood. Uh, that's
Maybe
not possible.
lavender to calm you at times.
I'm calm. What are
Or
you saying?
cinna-
What are you saying? God damn it!
cinnamon is good for attention and such. Lemon.
Who are not in the mood? Me? I'm always in the mood.
Mostly.
I'm never in the mood, almost never. Come on. Nice, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And almost reached my goal for this week. I need like, that's 31 cents. God damn it, really. Need 31 cents for this week. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. If this, then that. Okay. This is going to be enough. Gold almost reached. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. Is it better for you, Ford, to start this late, like today?
It's better, yeah. I mean, I only got again 5.5 hours only of sleep, but before it was kind of, I mean, we started at 8, which was fine, because then I can actually look at charts before and have some coffee and eat. Kind of was done eating almost with life. Otherwise, it's really rushing. I have to kind of rush to get ready. I need like 2 hours from alarm clock till, and often it's just 90 minutes or so what I have then left.
So we're going then later. Why not?
Yeah, I mean it depends with the price action yesterday. Obviously, it was very boring at first.
It's
And
almost
then
always boring before
uh,
market open, yeah. So like we can
yeah,
have a bit
I
chit
think it
chat and then
starts like 8 is good, and then
yeah.
it was a
So
bit before opening. It got now it's again slow, but this is 10:30 US time.
let us
It's
check this
almost
week.
nothing moving. Like it's kind of looking at my cTrader, do something, It's like,
Come on, poking, do something. So this account made, stream account made that 5 point something percent this week already. I'm continuing trading, but we can finish the stream. I'm going to cut my hair and have a bit of rest.
don't you just use that clipper?
Yeah, but it's like 30 minutes of work with taking shower and everything, so it's
Okay.
it's some
So
kind of
you wanna keep it really short and a few
yeah
millimeters.
yeah always to the zero on the clipper.
Oh, 0 even. So it's
No,
just
it's one. Sorry, with not
one.
without plastic, but like with the plastic itself. So it's
Okay,
one.
with the
Yeah,
okay.
it's a one. It's not zero.
Yeah, otherwise you would be like almost a bullhead or so,
Yeah, not like that. I'm not shaving my head. Don't want to look like a jails guy.
Not
So
like a skinhead or so.
yeah. Guys, thank you for joining us again, and wish you great games as always. And see you next week. Thanks, 40 Razor, for being here. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate that.
Bye everyone. Thanks, Sasha.
Bye bye.